Yo, what is up, everyone on YouTube? It is your boy Amrit. Amrit's got kicks. I'm back again with another video, and today I'm doing another unboxing video. I have the package right here. It came in the mail from Foot Locker Canada yesterday. I shout out Foot Locker Canada. Much love you guys. They've been coming through with every sneaker I've been copping lately. And yeah, like I've gotten pretty lucky with certain releases lately. One a shoe if you guys are definitely kind of hesitant on, or if you're looking to get right now, definitely say check out footlocker.ca or have the Footlocker app on your phone. If you're living in Canada, because ordering from the States I would not recommend really, because I've been screwed over ordering from the States before. I once had a guy take my payment and never ship out the shoes to me. Then I filed a well, not a lawsuit, but I filed a dispute with PayPal and eBay towards the seller. And it just, I don't know. It was 3 years ago. I never ended up getting the shoes. I never ended up getting my money back. So it was just a bit of a piss off. Um, yeah, so I've been dealing strictly with Foot Locker lately. Their selection has been kind of iffy, like lately on certain shoes, restocks and stuff. But I saw these and I checked the resale market on these. I was like, yo, if these were in a 9.5, I would keep these as a personal pair. These are size 9. If you guys are looking for a pair of these, I'm not gonna, do any surprises or anything. This is a pair of Adidas Superstars. So let's get into it. Now, right off the bat, you can see it comes in a galaxy, like a black and white galaxy style box. Has the 3 stripes for Adidas all over it. And it is a pair of Adidas Superstars, like I said earlier. But this isn't any ordinary Superstar. That is a Star Wars collab. Now, this isn't and it has a carrying handle here if you want to carry the box. This isn't the first ever time Adidas has done a collaboration with Star Wars. They've done it multiple times. Like I've seen for years them doing collabs with like Bape, Star Wars, like Marvel, DC Comics, whatever. Now, in a hand, dude, these are clean. Like, I just love the quality on these. They made the leather look like Darth Vader's outfit with the stitching and everything all over. Um, they do come with lace locks in them that say Star Wars. But one thing I absolutely love about this shoe, when I got it in hand yesterday, like I saw pictures online and everything, I didn't notice this. The toe box isn't your normal Superstar toe box. The normal Superstar toe box is a rubber, and if you're worried about creasing your sneakers, you don't have to worry with this shoe because it doesn't have leather or any of that stuff. So it won't show any wear. It will hold up really well over time. Now, this shoe was made very popular by the hip hop group Run DMC back in the 80s and the 90s. This is original basketball shoe. I don't know how people play basketball in these, but this shoe came out in like I think it was like 1967 or 1970 around there. Um, but yeah, like I love how the toe box is Darth Vader. It got patent leather, 3 stripes on the side, and then red writing that says Superstar. Red, um, like it's not a pull tab, but it's the tab on the back. It's got the Death Star, like Empire logo. And then they include the tongue actually has Darth Vader on it. The insoles have Star Wars on it, and on the outsole it says "I am," right? If you can see it. The lace locks, they include 4 different kinds of Death Star, Darth Vader, and then there's one that says Darth, and the other one says Vader. You can switch it out to your choice if you want. And then this one says your father. Now, if you guys have seen Star Wars, you remember that quote. And nothing different with this shoe. It's the same thing. The stitching all over. And then it's got the red leather on the heel with the Adidas trefoil logo, Adidas Originals logo. And then it got the traditional laces that usually come in the Superstar. You got these like heavy lace tips in red. This one says dark side on it, right? So this one, I'll show you guys, says dark. And then this one says side. Let's do zoom in, right? And then this one, if I can find it, hopefully it's the same way. It's got these icy blue outsoles, which isn't very common on Superstars, but yeah, same thing. So dark, and then this one says side, right? Quality is amazing. Love the craftsmanship. There's no excess glue stains. So like, yeah, I'm gonna see what I can get for these. Because current resale, they've been holding their value pretty well over the past few months. Same with the Run DMC Superstars. The 50th anniversaries that just came out. I'm gonna try to get those, see if they go on sale, because 160 is a bit much for a Superstar. That's how much these were originally, but I got them on sale for $90, so I'm not gonna complain. They do have them still on the Foot Locker app if you're looking for them. Do not go to the Foot Locker website right now, because the website keeps lagging and crashing and whatnot. I've even reached out to customer service for them, and they're like, we're aware that our website keeps crashing and we're working on it and stuff. And they've been working on it for months and it's still not up and running properly. So if you're trying to cop sneakers the easier way, definitely download the Foot Locker app on your on your phone. If you're living in Canada, because of course the Foot Locker app for the US, it was gonna be totally different selection, totally different shoes, whatnot. That's where I've been getting all my Jordan retros lately on release days, is actually Foot Locker. Well, I do have a sneaker consignment store here in town, but their website hasn't been getting many Jordans lately, so yeah. And then you got your traditional all white with the gold trefoils on it for Adidas. This is actually a really heavy quality box. It's not heavy in weight, but it's built tough. Like, it's not like your usual Superstar box, if you know what I mean, if you ever own Superstars or you're thinking about buying them. Now the suggested retail was 160, but on the website said 120. I think they may have changed it, because I remember when these came out, no one bought them. Because Superstars aren't hype, right? Everyone's going crazy for Jordans right now, Air Maxes, Air Forces, whatever it is. But yeah, the official colorway of the shoe is called black, and Scarl. I don't know what Scarl is. Size 9 US men's. And yeah, so it was 160, then it went down to 120, then it went down to, now actually I checked yesterday, now they're even cheaper. They're $84 now. So if you're looking for a pair, you can get these right under $100 shipped to your front door here in Canada. If you're looking for a cheap shoe for back to school or just casual wear every single day, definitely for $96 to ship to your front door, I think it is, or $94 or something like that. Definitely, this is a good option. You can even get Air Force Ones for like $80 sometimes on sale. You can get like Jordan ones for $80, maybe $60, but you're not gonna get the highs. You're not gonna get the mids. They're definitely gonna have to be the lows. But Jordan 1 lows right now are popular. They're flying off shelves, so that's one shoe that's easy to flip. If you buy them for like 120, you can get like 150, sometimes even 180 out of them. I've seen pairs even go for 200. So that's a good shoe to invest in right now. And then on the side of the box right here, it says, "May the Force be with you." That is I just love that. Like, that is the perfect finishing touch to the packaging. And it says up here, Adidas, and then Star Wars, and then it says 40, it's the 40th anniversary, I guess. It says, "The Empire Strikes Back." And that was my video today, guys. Much love. Keep supporting, liking, commenting. I'm gonna finish my coffee. I just made some. I just woke up like probably about half an hour or so back. I am exhausted. But take care, guys. Love you all. Keep commenting, leaving your thoughts down below. I'll get back to you guys. I put out a video pretty much every single day now, every few days. Depending on when my packages show up or not, because I don't want to end up I don't want to end up putting out content for products that I don't have to review, right? So I do have the reverse flu game Jordan 12s on the way from Foot Locker. I have the Chinatown Market Batman 80th anniversary DC Comics collab, Chuck 70s. I have the uh trying to remember. And, oh yeah, I had these on the way. These showed up yesterday. Um I don't. Oh yeah, and then I got another pair of Jubilee 11s yesterday. Um, I already had a size. I already have a size 9.5 that I got on release day. Sold out. They barely ever restock, but if they do, keep an eye out on Foot Locker. Great place for restocks. But apparently, Foot Locker got a crap ton of them on release day. They did sell out, but if you're looking for some pairs for your toddler or for your baby, they do have a lot of grade school sizes, a lot of preschool sizes, toddler sizes. Men's, the only ones I see that restock every few days or so is usually a size 9, sometimes a size 11 or 10. I've just been a total vulture. Like, I literally pick the last pairs, the last, scraps or whatever that's left on the website. I have a pair of Air Max 1s from the Closet Inc., which is a sneaker consignment store in Ontario. They're on the way. I got those. They actually just came out a few months back, and I happened to get them on sale. Um, they were 185. Taxes in came to like two. I got them for 129, so it's not too bad. Shipped and everything, I paid like 146 something. But they sent me the text confirmation and the email saying that they're on their way. So they should be here in the next few days or so. I'll be unboxing those. And yeah, so I'll definitely be changing up my content. So stay tuned. Like, I'm still trying to figure out how to use editing softwares. Let me know down below if you use editing software on your videos. Like, what do you use? Do you use Sony Vegas Pro 14? To use Adobe Premiere Pro? Because I have a full subscription to Adobe Premiere Pro, but I do not know how to use the Photoshop, the editing software, and whatnot. But if you do, please let me know down below. But love you guys. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm in. I'm out. Y'all be easy. Peace. Bye.